Hey guys, I'm back with another video as promised. And this time, I'm making a video of my room in Hyatt Centric. We booked a deluxe room. This is my brother opening the room with the key card because he loves to use it. So we already settled in because we reached at 7 or 8 am in the morning. So the bathroom was smaller than the other hotels I've been in Kerala. And it was fine, totally fine, since it had a bathtub and a shower above the bathtub and everything else we need. But the room was very spacious and the view was really good. So let's check it out. I bought these seashells from the beach near our hotel. So I already told you guys that we're staying near Candolim Beach, Goa. So as you guys can see that the room is really good and the color combination is so nice. It looks so beautiful. There are a few light lamps here. It looks so beautiful. Look at the view. It has such a big swimming pool. So guys, bye for now, but I'll be back soon with another video. See you soon, bye!